Hello YouTube, it's Richard, founder of Short Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. I'm coming to you from a freezing cold New York City. Check this out. Can you see that, Charles? Yep. Anyway, we're here in New York City. We're live in front of my Airbnb in Manhattan. I just came from a bar mitzvah, hence the all dressed up and out of the studio. This video is a little bit overdue. This feature's been out, but I want to share with you how I'm actually making my check-in process better using the technology that Airbnb allows where we take photos. So the first thing I want to show you, come with me, Charles, is this is the entrance here. And it's a little bit difficult in writing to describe exactly where people go. I say that there's a gate and you go down, but the nice thing about this feature is it's going to allow me to actually take a photo and share it. So I'm going to go ahead and share it. You go down the stairs, and then the very next thing I want to share, and we're in the process of turning it over right now, so you'll see luggage in the foyer and so on. People have difficulty understanding that this little black tab opens up, and then that this actually gets pushed down and this opens. So I want to go ahead and use the feature that Airbnb has provided us to help them with that process. So I'm going to go ahead and take a photo of that. And then the third thing I'm going to do is put my thumb on the latch here and start to open it. And I'm actually going to go ahead and upload it to Airbnb, the inbox. Click on any of them, and then there's a little key here. And when you click on the key, I haven't found another place to do it. Have you, Charles? Yeah, it's so strange. Create guest check-in guide. And then I'm going to add my first photo, and then here's my first one. And I'm going to add a note. And now the second one, I'm going to choose a photo. And now I'm going to edit the note to say, please use your thumb to push the black weather protecting cover down to reveal and turn the lock dials. Save. Preview it. Start the check-in. Now you see the photo with the description. Please use your thumb. And then third, please use your thumb. That's great. I think that looks really great, and I'm publishing it. And now we're going to let you know if we get some comments or feedback from guests that come in. We do get some questions occasionally. In fact, we've had some disturbance with people knocking on the neighbors and asking how to get in, and that's just not cool for our neighbors or the guest experience. So I'm hopeful that this 12 seconds that we just took is going to help the whole process and make everybody's day better, and guest relations better, the neighbor relations better. So hope you found this interesting and helpful. I'd encourage you to do it yourself. It takes no time at all, and it can be the difference between a mediocre first impression and a great first impression. So do it. Happy hosting. See you soon. Subscribe to the channel. Oh, listen to the podcast. Lots of great content. iTunes and the YouTube channel, STRU Podcast, links below. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Stay warm.